If I had advice for this, slide a knife against your wrist and hope for the best. Hope for the best. In spite of what you think you know, everyone will say you don't. You're wasting your breath, wasting your breath. If you are misfortunate to wait in the spotlight and when begging from the table, say treat me like a friend and stab me in the chest. Still we will apologize for bleeding that I've been mill of thread we're running on, ignorantly holding on to time we have left, time we have left. The circus we're performing in